Sorry, I feel like these are so weird today. Every time I've induced this week, it's just made my throat hurt like crazy. And then I just always end up feeling more sick at night. I don't know if I'm like prolonging being sick by like torturing my nose, but it's definitely not making me feel any better. Yeah, this is definitely not making my throat feel better, but do what you gotta do. Alright, sorry I couldn't get as many as I did yesterday. I think my nose is getting pretty tired. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, feel free to kick me if you have any requests or any questions. It's Anna Sneeze, ANA.sneeze. Again, my voice is super congested now, so that's cool. I sound ridiculous, but yeah, bye guys.